Hey everyone, it's your favorite Pick Instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best Ninja blenders that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Ninja BL660. The Ninja BL660 Professional Blender is one of the best rated blenders, and it is also our top pick on the list. Ninja Professional Blender has 3 different speed modes that allow you to adjust the speed depending on the dishes you're making. This Ninja comes with a large pitcher that holds 72 ounces of ice cubes and quickly crushes the ice to snow for frozen drinks and smoothies. The Ninja BL660 countertop blender has an 1100 watt motor that quickly grinds tough ingredients. It has 6 strong blades that quickly crush ice cubes so you can drink your favorite cocktails at home. With the large pitcher, you can quickly prepare smoothies and drinks for a large family while entertaining unexpected guests. If you only want to make juice for one person, Ninja provides a small cup. Fill the cup with fruits, close the lid, and you'll have a healthy juice in less than a minute. With your Ninja Professional Blender, you can make all of your preferred beverages, dips, and sauces. The 72-ounce BPA-free plastic pitcher is ideal for creating a vast batch of beverages. All of the parts of this top Ninja blender are dishwasher safe. At number 4. Ninja BN701. If you have a small kitchen and want a blender that doesn't take up too much space, the Ninja BN701 Professional Plus blender is the right choice. This best-rated Ninja blender comes with 1400 watts high-power motor that can quickly crush nuts, ice, and other tough ingredients. It comes with 3 options for making ice cream, frozen drinks, and smoothies with a single touch. It includes Auto IQ technology that makes blending, grinding, pulsing easy. The Ninja's 72-ounce pitcher can hold 62 ounces of ice cubes, which will come in handy when your guests arrive, as well as when you have a large family. To control the blender, there are 3 buttons: medium, low, and high speeds, which allow you to change the speed settings based on the food you're preparing. In addition, this blender includes a pulse button for controlling the blending operation. Ninja Professional Plus Blender also includes a recipes guide with 15 different blender recipes. With the help of this recipes guide, you can prepare various types of recipes and enjoy new recipes every day. At number 3. Ninja QB1004. The Ninja QB1004 Ninja Blender is one of the best compact and budget-friendly Ninja blenders available. It features pulse technology, which means that if you want to smash ice, push the Ninja cup, which instantly crushes the ingredients. With the Ninja QB1004 blender, you can effortlessly break down whole vegetables and fruits and extract a drink rich in nutrients from them. To ensure speedy functioning, the 450 watt motor is included. This sleek design allows you to keep components on the shelf while only taking up a tiny amount of kitchen space, making it great for individuals who have a small kitchen. Because all of the components of the Ninja QB1004 can be washed in the dishwasher, the Ninja blender saves you time. This little blender also comes with 2 16-ounce chopper bowls and a recipe book, allowing you to attempt new recipes and enjoy fresh foods every day. The control options on this user-friendly Ninja blender allow you to modify the speed settings based on your meal. In addition, this Ninja blender comes with 3 different sized chopping bowls, allowing you to create food in the same way you would in a food processor. At number 2. Ninja BN801. The Ninja BN801 blender has sharp blades that quickly crush ice for beverages and break down hard ingredients rapidly. In addition, this Ninja blender has 5 preset programs that allow you to make the dough, frozen drinks, smoothies, chopping, and nutrient extraction with a single touch. So your cooking will be easier and quicker, and it will also boost your interest in cooking. The Ninja Professional Blender also comes with 2 24-ounce cups, which will come in handy when making juice and protein smoothies. If you want to make purees with this blender, the 8-cup bowl will come in useful. You can also use the 8-cup bowl to prepare 2 pounds of cookie dough. This Ninja blender's components can all be washed in the dishwasher, eliminating the need to clean these items by hand. When washing, the sharp blades may cut your fingers. In this case, place the sharp blades in the dishwasher. It extracts a vitamin and nutrient-rich drink from fruits and vegetables with a maximum liquid capacity of 64 ounces, so you enjoy your favorite drinks with your family. At number 1. Ninja AMZ 493BRN. If you want to buy the best blender for your kitchen but don't have enough space, don't worry, because we have the best small blender, ideal for small kitchens and can do everything a large blender can do. This compact Ninja AMZ 493BRN blender meets all of your needs, including the ability to crush ice and make dough for cookies, pizza, and beverages. The 5-cup processor will come in handy when you're making pizza dough, cookies, or chopping vegetables. This small blender comes with 3 intelligent preset programs for smoothie, frozen, and dough, making it simple to use. You can use an 18-ounce small cup with a lid to make juice and a small amount of smoothie. Once you've filled the cup with fruits, please place it in the base and begin processing. In no time, your favorite juice will be ready. It is designed with a 1200-watt motor to provide quick recipes. The 72-ounce blender pitcher is ideal for large amounts of food and is made of BPA-free plastic. We hope you loved the video, and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.